Okay, more tape scraped up again. Hey, if you want to stop by Harbor Freight and pick up something that is worth a couple bucks, you might want to consider this. Not made in China, made in Malaysia. I think I'm going to put on a pair right now because I'm getting cut up. Alright, now here is the whole deal. The expectation was that this fiberglass panel would just pop out of this kayak, right? Because polyester resin does not adhere to polyethylene. Check it, Google it. Let's try to pop her out. I mean, I'm hoping this snaps right out with no issues. Start right here on a corner. No. Alright, here we go. Nice. Just pull it up by hand. Work it along the edge. Ow! Well, that's gonna need a band-aid. Wow. And there's the panel, boys. Fiberglass and polyester, you know, it's the perfect use of polyester. Polyester is inexpensive, and this is the perfect sort of use for it. It's like you're creating a part, you know. I'm not trying to bond this to the kayak with polyester. It's tape. It's made by Johnson & Johnson. And it's probably micropore. It's medical tape, you know. I didn't have band-aids. Somehow I got nicked up, and so I taped up my knuckle and I taped up my thumb. That's the way it goes. Nothing serious here. That's 80 grit. If you're working on a polypropylene guitar, not a guitar, but a kayak, polyethylene kayak, you know, you might want to consider some G-Flex. This stuff is going to bond. What can I tell you? There it is. Props to Debbie at West Marine for hooking me up with this G-Flex. Awesome spot, West Marine.
I stayed to make sure there weren't any bloopers or anything at the very end. I didn't want to get out of the chair.